Hello, good morning. Once again, we have a very good opportunity for social work student. Today, we will discuss about the job vacancy, which is very good for those who are just focusing on the गवर्नमेंट जॉब. उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. यहाँ पे जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, मिनिमम एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस पोस्ट इज कैंडिडेट अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस फेलोशिप मस्ट हैव द एज बिलो 32 ईयर्स से कम एज होना चाहिए एंड द कैंडिडेट रिक्वायर्ड टू हैव ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री फ्रॉम एनी रिकॉग्नाइज यूनिवर्सिटी इन सोशल साइंस like sociology, economics, rural development, social work, and public policy. So, those who have graduate or postgraduate in any of these subjects like social work, any stream of social science like sociology, economics, rural development, social work, and social policy, they can apply for this post. So, social work student either BSW or MSW both can apply for this post. And those students who have completed their BSW Bachelor of Social Work, they must have also 1 to 2 year of work field experience in development sector with added point for rural development experience and field level work experience. Means those who have completed their master of social work, they can apply directly, but those who have just only graduate undergraduate students, they have only graduation degree in MSW means BSW, they must have 1 to 2 year of work experience in these sectors, development sector, then only they can apply. For those students who have MSW and have work experience, they will get preference and the additional weightage will given to the candidate possessing MPhil और PhD in the desired and additional weightage will be given. यानी कि BSW वाले भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट उनके पास 1 से 2 साल का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. MSW वाले स्टूडेंट के लिए वर्क एक्सपीरियंस नेसेसरी नहीं है, बट अगर उनके पास वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है तो उनको उसका वेटेज मिलेगा. अगर आप MPhil या PhD किए हुए हैं तो आपको यहाँ पे अच्छा खासा क्या एडिशनल वेटेज दिया जाएगा. Selection process will be the very simple and you just have to complete 3 stage selection process, that is merit cum aptitude assessment test and written test, and then interview panel will decide your candidature. So duration for this program will be fellowship will be preferred for period for the 2 years, and the condition for the fellowship are given here, that fellows are required to know Kannada speaking, reading and writing, and knowledge of Kannada is very important for this work because it is work with the local government institution and citizens. So Kannada speaking is very essential for this fellowship, and the fellows must read to work in any talukas of Kalyan Karnataka division, and the fellow will have to live in the assigned taluka and during the fellowship period, and the should travel to gram panchayat within the taluka and compulsory work in rural area. The fellows will be placed under the direct supervision of the respective jila panchayat chief executive officer. These are the conditions for fellows, those who are getting selection in this fellowship. One more important thing is that the fellowship amount is very attractive, that is 60,000 per month will be your fellowship amount per month. And for extra expenses like the travel allowance will given that 1,500 यानी कि 1,500 will be given for the extra expenses as the traveling allowance. These are the perk for this vacancy, and the role for the fellows are given that after spending time understanding the social, economic, geographical and the governance context, fellows will work with the Jila Panchayat administration on various initiatives with focus on the ensuring the citizens are able to access the universal rights they are entitled to, and ensuring the benefit and the service reaching the person who are entitled to them, and the participation of citizens in governance of gram panchayats, and especially through gram sabha, and the socio-economic and situational analysis that will help the Jila Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, Gram Panchayat administration with local area planning and the implementation, and the status studies on the ST/SC poorest of the poor person with disability and women, children and elderly, and the studying and the assisting in the implementation of RDPR's flagship initiatives like SWM, CREACH, Library, and national initiative like NAREGA, ICDS, NRLM, working closely with the Taluka and Gram Panchayat self-help groups and their federation and the people organization at the Panchayat level. facilitating in convergence with public program and service, aiming at the direct poverty alleviation and social inclusion programs, and the skilling themselves to take on action research project with emphasis on quality, ethics, reliability, and the integrity in their work, taking on action research project that will help with testing out solution to the persistent problem at the grassroots level, and the seeking themselves at the development professional assisting the gram panchayat in their governance and development initiative. These are the and many three other are the role and responsibility given to the fellows, like they have to work on ground level for the citizen, and for what are the rule and regulation under the gram panchayats, what are their function. They are the main function to work with the gram panchayat functions. So these are the required. For those who are interested, candidate can download the detailed notification from the website and fill out the application form online on the same site. No application will be received at the commensurate, and the application sent via post or courier will not be considered. So this is very important message, that the application sent via post or courier will not be considered. The application portal will be open from the date of 22nd of January 2024 to 5th of February 2024. For more information, just contact on this number, and mobile number is also given with the name. He is the assistant director of the Karnataka Panchayati Raj Commissionerate, and he will assist you if you feel any kind of the trouble during the applying for the post. You have to just go to this website and apply online itself. No offline mode will be courier or via post will be the considered. This is very golden opportunity for a student of social work. Here MSW freshers can apply, and MPhil and PhD student also apply. They will get extra preference, and those students who have completed just BSW, they must have after graduation having 1 to 2 years of work experience with the development sector. And this vacancy is under the government of Karnataka Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Karnataka Panchayati Raj Commissionerate, and the Kalisdasa Road, Gandhinagar, Bengaluru. From this address, this notification is released, and the application are invited for the Rajiv Gandhi Panchayati Raj Fellowship. So just go to the website and apply for the Rajiv Gandhi Panchayat Raj Fellowship. This is all about today. For this kind of more information about the social work fraternity, just watch my video, everyday video. If you want not to miss, just subscribe and just press bell icon, or either you can just join my Telegram channel, and the link is in description box. This is all about today. फिर मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.